Spring is finally here, the sun is shining, and your backyard is calling your name, but if you're still sitting on rusty metal chairs from 2019 or eating dinner off a plastic folding table, you're missing out on what could literally become your favorite room in the house. And here's the problem nobody talks about. With prices ranging from $300 to over $5,000, picking the wrong patio furniture set means you could end up with cushions that fade after one summer, frames that rust by fall, or worse, a set that looks beautiful but feels like sitting on concrete. We've spent the last 2 months testing every major patio furniture release for 2026, from budget-friendly bistro sets to luxury sectionals that cost more than my first car, dragging them through rainstorms, leaving them in blistering sun, and most importantly, actually living on them for weeks to find out which ones survive real family life. Today, I'm revealing the 5 best patio furniture sets of 2026, and what number 3 did to my Sunday afternoon naps literally made me cancel my indoor couch delivery, so let's step outside. Starting at number 1. Devoko Wicker Patio Conversation Set. Best budget. This Devoko 3-piece patio furniture set is perfect if you're looking to create a comfy outdoor lounge area without breaking the bank. These 2 chairs and table make an ideal addition to a small patio or balcony. They are also perfect for providing additional seating near a pool. When it comes to comfort, we were impressed. Our guests even praised the chairs for their coziness, and we think it's mostly because of the gently curved back, which is both subtle and supportive. The cushions also use foam to give you a comfortable sitting feel, although it was a bit thin for our taste. This stylish set is made with a strong steel frame and all-weather PE rattan wicker, which makes it sturdy and durable enough for all kinds of weather. We encountered multiple thunderstorms while testing and were pleased that the chairs and table held up well during the rain, and the cushions mostly repelled the water. Number 2. Christopher Knight Home Carolina Outdoor Sofa Set. Best sofa set. Looking for an outdoor sofa set that can endure tough weather conditions? Check out the Christopher Knight Home Carolina Outdoor Acacia Sofa Set. We tested this set for 6 months in Birmingham, Alabama, and found it held up remarkably well against the bright sun, excessive heat, and heavy rain with moderate wind. This set includes 2 chairs, a bench, and a spacious table, all crafted from top-notch eucalyptus wood. The wood is incredibly durable and can withstand rain, dew, and other harsh elements. It's worth noting that the manufacturer warns that the wood may fade over time and develop a patina, which naturally occurs with all wooden furniture. After months of testing, we did see this occur after exposure to sunlight. Despite being marketed as a bench, the larger seating was more like a love seat, providing ample space for 2 individuals to sit comfortably. We even found that 3 people could sit on it without feeling cramped, though it is worth noting that weight limits should be considered in such instances. Number 3. Grand Patio Outdoor Folding Bistro Set. Best Bistro Set. At 48 pounds total, this folding bistro set from Grand Patio is lightweight enough to move around your space, but heavy enough to not budge during strong storms. The table and chairs also felt surprisingly big and sturdy for a foldable set, and make a great spot for eating dinner or having coffee. We even used it at a wedding, with a tablecloth over the top. The powder-coated steel set is extremely weather-resistant, and we had no issues with its durability during intense rainstorms. It also won't rust when exposed to water over time. While metal can get hot in the sun, we didn't experience that with this set, even after months of leaving the patio furniture outdoors in the summer heat. Plus, the set withstood heavy rain, winds, and sun without any chipping, damage, or discoloration. Due to its location on our patio, it often gets covered in pollen, but the material is incredibly easy to wipe down, leaving it looking brand new. Also, the metal slats in the chairs might lead to discomfort when sitting for a long time, but you can always add an outdoor cushion for a plush place to sit. Though on the smaller side, each chair has an impressive weight capacity of 330 pounds. Number 4. Kullavik Outdoor Patio Furniture Set. Best with fire pit. Want your patio to double as an outdoor living room, with a built-in fire pit as a bonus? This is the set you need. We tested it on a fully exposed wooden deck in Iowa through extreme weather, including heavy rain, strong winds, and sweltering 100-degree heat. The base and table stayed outside the entire time, and we've seen no damage. Plus, the fire pit table's cover, included, helped too, keeping it in great shape, even during downpours. Comfort-wise, this set is a dream for hosting others or sprawling out on your own. We arranged the sectional in a classic L shape and found that it can comfortably seat 6 people at once without feeling cramped. The cushions are thick and plush enough that you can laze for hours. The seating feels just right for most body types, it's neither too low nor too high, and the pieces feel stable even without using the included clips to hold them together. The fire pit table is the real centerpiece here. It comes with glass pebbles and a fitted cover. We absolutely love it for chilly evenings and late night hangs, especially in the fall. Note that wide propane tanks may not fit underneath, so check your dimensions before buying. Assembly was a project. This is an 8-piece sectional, so plan on dedicating a weekend or at least a few evenings to putting it together. We built it solo over a few days, clocking about 5 hours total, so you may want some help with the undertaking. Once everything was assembled, though, the setup felt solid and sturdy. Number 5. Sorbus Hanging Swing Nest. Have you always wanted a hammock but just couldn't find the right one? Stop your search right away with the Sorbus Hanging Swing Nest. This hammock daybed is one of a kind and comes in white coloration. The soothing vibe of the furniture makes it the perfect choice for some relaxing time. The hammock is made from 100% cotton fabric, along with a steel frame. The steel structure withstands a weight of up to 264 pounds. The cotton fabric leads to a soft and comfortable experience for the users. Apart from this, you also get a support pillow. Now you know exactly which patio set deserves a permanent spot in your backyard, whether you need a massive modular sectional for summer parties, a sleek dining set for alfresco dinners, or a cozy conversation set for morning coffee and evening cocktails, and all the links to these gorgeous pieces are waiting in the description below with the best prices updated for 2026, so go grab the one that fits your space before spring inventory sells out. If this guide saved you from buying furniture you'd regret by July, smash that like button, share it with your neighbor who's been talking about upgrading their patio for 3 years, and subscribe because we're testing the best outdoor umbrellas and shade solutions next week to keep you cool all summer long. Speaking of which, if you want to know which umbrella actually stands up to strong winds without flying into your pool, click the video right here. I promise your future self will thank you every sunny afternoon.